Hello guys, what's up? Bine ați revenit la mine pe canal. Welcome back to my channel. And as you guys probably know, my name is Julia Menicucci and I'm a Brazilian that lives in Romania. But I have lived in Italy, in England, in Oxford, and I feel like I have a little bit experience. Since the first time I left Brazil, I was 18 years old and now I'm 28. So yeah, time's passing, but I don't know, we are losing time of life but winning experience. Yeah. Today, as you probably saw in the name of the video, I want to give you guys 5 tips that I found very important in my journey learning how to adapt in a new country, in a new culture. And I don't know, I want to let you guys know what made my life easier, and maybe you guys can tell me as well what makes your life easier, or things that you did or that you think that you could do to improve your life as a foreigner in another country. So let's start. And before we start, I would like to ask you guys, please to like, subscribe, comment. You probably don't know how important it is for us content creators to grow, to understand that we are doing something nice and that we should keep doing our work. So please help me. So guys, the first thing I think someone needs to do before leaving your home country to go abroad is to be prepared, in the sense that research everything about the country you're going. Research the religion, the clothes they wear, their mindset, how they behave and why they behave. Research about their history, because knowing about that before you arrive there is gonna help you not to have bad surprises, and it's gonna help you to understand how you should adapt yourself to fit in that society, to make friends, not to be a weirdo, a stranger. Because even if everyone knows that you are a foreigner, the country that is receiving you is expecting you to respect their traditions, their way of being. It doesn't mean that you have to be like them, but at least know how they are and be prepared for that. The second thing that I want to say is that be open-minded. That's very important. You have to know that you are gonna need to change some aspects of your life, because you are not anymore in the place that you grew up, or because you're not anymore in your home. So you're gonna have to get used to their breakfast, to their food, right? Like in Brazil, in the breakfast we take bread, butter, coffee. In Italy it's similar, but they go more for croissants and coffee. And in Romania it's very different from us, because here in Romania the Romanian traditional breakfast includes Romanian cheese, tomatoes, cucumbers, hams, and a very big variety that for us in Brazil would be more like connected to the lunchtime. So it's super different, and if you are like stuck with your old habits, maybe you are not gonna allow yourself to enjoy the new experience, because yeah, you gotta know you are in a different place, things happen in a different way, and you have to open yourself. The third thing that I think you have to learn in order to adapt better in a new culture is to learn their language. Even if in this country you are going to, everyone speaks English, it's expected for respect, or for, I don't know, it's good manners, for you to know the basics of the language. You don't need to be like fluent, or you don't need to be like the best speaker, but for you to know to say hello, how are you, I'm sorry, I don't speak your language, do you speak English? To know how to speak these things in the language that you are going to, like also thank you, you're welcome, excuse me, I'm sorry. These things are, I consider extremely important for you to know before you arrive in the country even, because they help you to create a bond with the local people. They start understanding that you are making an effort, that you are coming out of your comfort zone. Because if you arrive there and you just start talking in English, maybe people are gonna feel offended, like, what the hell, you think that you arrive here and everyone is obligated to talk your language or talk another language just because of you? So I think, yeah, the basics is very important for you to know. Another thing that, in my opinion, you have to do is to try to find people from your hometown or your home country in the country that you were going to. For example, I found a group of Brazilians in Romania here in Bucharest, and I don't know, for me it has helped me a lot, because these people that come from Brazil, they are facing the same problems that I am facing, or they have faced long time ago, and they already have good I don't know, advices or workarounds. So I feel like your co-nationals can help you very much to understand, to, I don't know, to learn, you know, because these people, they left from the same place that you did, and they are in the same place that you are, so they have your culture, or they have like most of the behaviors that probably you find weird, they also found weird as well, you know. And the fifth thing that I consider mega important for you to do when you arrive in a country is to make friends from the people, from the place that you are going to. So in my case, make Romanian friends. Why? My Brazilian friends are amazing, and they have been my biggest support here. But in order for me to feel home, or in order for me to feel genuinely from here, or I don't know, you know, you need to have friends from the place that are gonna introduce you more to the culture, that are gonna have their families here too, so you can have that feeling of family, you know. Like in Italy, I definitely felt like I was home, because I was 100% introduced in the society, in the people, with the young people, so I didn't see a lot of difference from my home in Brazil to there, and that's what I consider that made the whole difference. So I think these are the 5 aspects that I feel like definitely crucial for you to adapt in a country, but for sure there are more things, and I'm super willing to listen your opinion. And that's it. Like, subscribe, comment, and maybe see you in the next video. Bye bye.